In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wish coins and Archero too. So Wish coins can be available in rewards of special events or just normal events. So in order to use Wish coins, just go ahead to the shop icon that's located at the bottom left. Then just scroll down until you find the Wish section. So you can go ahead, Wish exchange. So there is a wish option at the left and a wish option at the right. So if you click on it, you can wish for many items. So you can see here artifacts. So you are pretty much going to get the wish option once you unlock the artifacts in the collectible section. So in order to unlock this feature, just go ahead, complete some missions, and then the feature will be available for you. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.